Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to fix Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and Internet data connection problems on Vivo Y17s device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. If you often have trouble with Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and Internet data networks on your device, and then you can reset the network. Here are the steps. Please open the settings menu, and then here you can scroll down. After that, here you can select system options. And then select reset options here. After that, here you can click reset Wi-Fi, mobile, and Bluetooth option. And then click reset settings. Before it, here there will be the following statement. Okay, after that, please click reset below. And then the network settings on your device were successfully reset. That's the tutorial on how to fix Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and Internet data connections problem on Vivo Y17s device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.